bike's dying. What else can I say? Oh, this constant FI light's gonna piss me off. As long as it's not jerky, that's fine. But when the bike gets jerky, that's when it gets undrivable. But fuck it. We drive and we see.
Whipping up the babies, got the pot.
May.
Cycles quickly. I'm going there because I don't have tools at home. I need to tighten my chain. So either I'm going to ask them if I can borrow their tools, do it myself quickly, or if they've got the time, get one of their guys, Hastings possibly, to assist me, do it, get it done. Yeah, because chain is very loose. Got to just tighten up that slack. Could also be the cause of some of the issues that I've been experiencing based off the forums on Google. So let's hopefully that seems to solve some of the issues. I don't see how it can, but anything, you know, anything that can help us fix the issue would be great. Because it does, the problem seems to get worse as the chain gets more loose, which, you know, starts occasionally with very little chain slack to now when the chain slack's a lot worse. I've probably driven like almost 1,000 Ks since I got the bike back, so it's been quite a lot of kilometers. So that chain slack is definitely a lot looser now. And the thing is, when I got my tire, my new tire, about halfway through, what was it, last month, I don't remember, or this month, the chain slack was still fine, but now we just got to adjust it again quickly. They do recommend you adjust your chain every 500 kilometers, so getting 1,000 Ks per adjustment is not bad. I do try and wash the bike and the chain every weekend, lube it up every weekend. You don't have to adjust your chain every 500 Ks, you just check the slack, see if it's still in good tolerance. So with that being said, then I don't know if every 1,000 Ks having to adjust it is good, because that means your chain is wearing out a lot faster. Meaning you'll probably only get like 6,000 to 7,000 Ks out of a chain before you reach the end of your adjustment. I don't know, we'll have to see. I'll just have to monitor it, keep an eye on it. Yeah, gonna pop in my Mo quickly, have it fixed, sorted, and I also want to chat to them about the project, see if they're willing to take that on, because it's not something you can do without a garage. We'll see what kind of arrangement we can come to with Mo. Little Ninja 250. What's up, man? Green light, green light, green light, green light. Pow, 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 pow. I must say the bike sounds so good when the FI light is on. So good. So expensive, but so good. Sounds so good. Oh, fan on. Bike's getting warm. 80 degrees operating temperature. Fan the fan switch on. Not needed, but it's just, I don't like riding the bike hot. I've had a experience where driving through town on one morning from BMW Motorrad to work, and that traffic, before I had the fan switch installed, that traffic just killed the bike, and it was pissing coolant by the time I got to the office. So after that I was like, no, fuck this, I gotta get the fan switch installed, which was on the bike before. They disconnected it, I don't fucking know why, because they probably had it wired wrong, whereas if you turn the switch on, it just runs the fan constantly, whereas you're supposed to key it to ignition, that when you turn the bike on, then the fan runs. But if you wire it straight to the battery and you turn it on, it's just going to run 24/7. That's going to drain your battery if you forget to turn it off, which I think they did, because there was an elder lady that owned the bike. So I was going to crack my visor. It's hot, and this truck is not giving me much space, and if I try and go there, that's probably what he's going to drive. So at this point I'm going to just wait for him to make this turn and then go. Wow. Okay, let's go. Kinda sounds like the bike's on a quick shifter when I shifted to the F5 right on. Like you hear that pa when I shift. Oh, it's kind of funny. Like you hear that and with like that first and second gear shift, you hear that and it just sounds beautiful. Sounds beautiful. I wonder who we're gonna see here at Wicked Cycles today. Always an interesting group of characters here. We'll see who's at the shop today. That's a full bus. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Waiting for the light because buses are big and you don't want to get squashed by a bus. Wow. Ah, baby, I'm sorry. Bike loud. Boing, boing. 954, beautiful bikes.